What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, LifeAsDe'j. Happy October. I know y'all got all of these questions about where I've been, what I've been doing, all of that, and they will be answered very soon, but not in this video. Today we are going to be talking about this orange, this bright, super bright Fanta, that's what I'm gonna call it, Fanta Orange hair.
You get dressed up, you take hours. Baby girl, you know you can do whatever, you got power.
First, I'm gonna start off by re-dyeing my hair a little bit, and I'm gonna be doing the watercolor method, and you need hot water for this step. So the colors I'm gonna be using today are by Adore, and the first one is Sunrise Orange, number 38, and then I'm going to use Orange Blaze, which is number 39. And I didn't put a lot of the dye in the water just because I'm not dyeing my whole wig. It's already dyed. I'm just filling in a few of the spaces from when I last wore the wig. So obviously if you are dyeing your whole wig or even bundles, you want to use way more dye than I did. Then you just want to dip your wig just to make sure everything is covered. Before I dyed this wig orange, it was pink. So I'm just going to add a little more dye to make sure everything is covered. And once you see your hair is how you like it, I just left mine in the water for about 2 minutes. And then I went and washed my wig and I let it sit overnight to dry. This is the next day after my hair has air dried, and I know it looks a little crazy, but I just went in and brushed it out, and I just started to flat iron because I really don't like to part my hair in sections. I just go in and just straighten everything that I see that needs to be straightened. So that is what I'm doing now. So now that it's mostly straight, I'm going to go in with some Got To Be glue spray, and I'm going to lay my closure down. And I don't really use a blow dryer. I just wait for it to get tacky, and then I stick it down and I put my scarf on. So the top of my hair is definitely looking a little bulky to me, so I'm going to go in with some mousse and just lay the top part of my hair down because my closure is really full and thick. And then I'm going to put my scarf on again and you'll see the finished product. And y'all, just look at this color. Like, I love this bright orange color. Like, it's so pretty to me. So this is the finished look. the orange bob. And y'all, I haven't did color in so long, probably since I was in college, which was a few months ago. But that's a long time for me because everybody know like I love color. And I burnt myself, y'all, so please ignore that. That was from the flat iron. But this is my orange hair, y'all. It is so cute. I love this bob. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, and make sure you click that like button and comment down below about what y'all think on this orange hair, because it's fire. Well, it's Fanta. I want to thank y'all so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video because I have a lot of stuff coming up and questions that y'all want to know. Because like, as y'all know, as y'all seen in my previous videos, I did move, and y'all, it has been crazy. So yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for these next videos. Love y'all. Bye.